how to change background on InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app. And I assume that you have already downloaded the InShot app on the mobile phone. So now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So in create new section, there is video, photo and college in here. So now what you can do is simply select the video, and afterward in this section you can select your video from your gallery. So now I have only one, so let me select the video. Now you can see there is green button at the bottom right corner of this section, so just tap on that green button and you'll be able to edit your video in here successfully. So now what you can do is you can see there is a canvas option at the left side, and you can see there is lots of tools available in here. So just tap on the canvas, and now you can see there is background option shown in the screen at the right side of the zoom. So just tap on background, and now you can simply change your background from here successfully. You can simply tap on gallery by tapping on the photo icon, or you can also select a color or gradient, and lots of options available over here. So yeah, basically this is the process to change a background in InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.